welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I'm going to share an easy all digital Dove deal. What you need to do this deal is just your phone, no paper coupon needed. Dove cleansing bars are on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back and their price is $6.99. Pick up 2. And the 30.6 ounce Dove body wash are on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 2 you get $3 extra care box back. This is what the transaction will look like. And the total for these 4 items will be $33.96. There is a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to the cleansing bar. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is applying to all 4 items. The third coupon that will also apply to this deal will be a 6 off 2 digital coupon that we received on Sunday. And to make this deal better, we have the 10 off 25 Epic Beauty CRT that will also apply. And the coupons and the CRT will drop my subtotal down to $9.96, and I'll get $3 back for buying 2 of the cleansing bar and $3 back for buying 2 of the Dove body wash. That will end up making these 4 items just $3.96 or 99 cents each. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see the 4 items I picked up. On the coupon section, the 3 coupons came off. That's the 6 off 2, 5 off 3, and 3 off 2. And I used $10 extra care box. The second $5 extra care box adjusted down to $4.96 because my subtotal was less than 10. I just paid tax for these items and I got my $3 back for the cleansing bar and another $3 back for the body wash. That ended up making each item just 99 cents. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and I'll talk to you next time.